So you can see. So this one has to come here to the alternator. Okay, that's how to fix bet on Bentley. Normal, just like Mercedes car. You see, so this adjust. So this adjust spanner is starting. Adjust spanner, this is starting. You can see that's starting. You can see. See. So now, because I use two hands, so I got to drop the phone. So when I adjust, I will use this one hand. The hand which I use to hold this phone, I go use the hand, put the belt on this water pump. You can see. So now to remove the spanner. So that's how to fix belt on Bentley. So what? So you can see all the Bentley here. So this is the inside. Okay. That is it. So I'm tightening the body out. You can see here are the body out that goes to the engine. So yeah, this Bentley, Range Rover, BMW, Mercedes Benz. Okay. That is it. So here are the new oil switch. You can see the radiator and fan is behind me. So here are the engine. In here are a switch that goes to the engine. You can see the position. You can see. This called oil switch. The size of the spanner is 27, and here are the fissure that's called socket. It goes like this, but have to tighten it proper. Okay, you can see here are the spanner. You have to tighten it very well, so it's not going to leak oil. If not that time well, it will leak oil, and to even get access to it self na problem. So whatever that you are doing here, you have to make sure that you did it very well. I have to take it inside. You will not break the switch. Okay. So this one goes this way. Here, but first I have to clear the. I have to clear the way. You can see there is dust or dirt inside it. So here I have air. You can see goes this way. This. So let me fix the button. So here are the Bentley. You can see. So I have to take this up. First, fix the auxiliary button. So here are the auxiliary button, and this is the main button. The car has automatically reset everything. Okay. So first need manual close. Now automatic. That is how to calibrate the back side, the back door. Okay, this is how to calibrate it when it lost memory. Okay. This is the inside. So this is how to on the ignition, and also to start you have to apply the brake. If you press the brake and this place, but I don't need to start it. I only want to on the ignition so I can be able to check the oil. You see? Now the ignition is on. That is it. Wow. Bentley has a nice interior with red design. Okay, you can see. So to start the car, so have applied the brake and also press the switch. One hand. So gas to go down. Make sure that everything is saved. So what did I work on this car? I changed belt, and this alternator has cooler, the alternator cooling system on the back side. It was leaking before, so here are the position. You can see the pipe. It was leaking before, so I got to open the radiator. Open the fan, open the alternator to fix it. So that is it. So this is the protector that protects the belt. You can see that protects the belt. So that is it. And this is the key to the radiator pipe. So this is the radiator pipe. This pipe goes to the radiator down here. Same to this one. See key. And the little one goes to the downside. So this is the socket to the fan, goes here, and it's time to install the radiator housing.